Is your hair growing slowly? Are you dreaming of long, luscious locks that are strong and naturally beautiful? If so, this is the perfect video for you. Today, we'll uncover the incredible benefits of castor oil for hair growth, and I'll guide you step by step on how to apply it effectively. Stick around to learn how this age-old remedy can transform your hair. Castor oil is a thick, nutrient-rich oil extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis. Its use dates back thousands of years, with historical evidence showing that ancient Egyptians used it for hair care, skin treatments, and even as a medicinal remedy. What makes castor oil special is its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid, along with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a powerhouse for nourishing and promoting hair growth. Castor oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to the hair follicles. Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science highlights the role of ricinoleic acid in supporting follicle health and reducing hair loss. Packed with vitamin E, castor oil strengthens hair strands, making them more resistant to breakage. A study in Natural Product Research shows that the antioxidant properties of castor oil protect hair from environmental damage. Castor oil's antimicrobial and antifungal properties can help treat dandruff and other scalp infections. It keeps the scalp moisturized, preventing dryness and flakiness, which are often barriers to hair growth. The fatty acids in castor oil provide deep hydration, taming frizz and adding a natural shine to your hair. A smoother texture also makes it easier to manage and style. Regular use of castor oil can thicken hair over time by nourishing dormant follicles, as noted in anecdotal evidence and small-scale studies. If you like what you are hearing so far, please write a comment and subscribe to support the growth of our community. And don't forget to come back for more health tips and wellness advice. Here's how to apply castor oil for hair growth. Slightly warm 2 to 3 tablespoons of castor oil to make it easier to apply. Be careful not to overheat, as overheating can alter the oil's chemical structure, reducing its effectiveness and potentially causing skin irritation or burns when applied. Overheated castor oil may also lose some of its beneficial properties, such as its high content of ricinoleic acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing effects. Additionally, applying excessively hot oil can damage sensitive areas of the skin and hair, leading to redness, dryness, or even minor burns. To avoid this, test the oil's temperature on the inside of your wrist before applying it more broadly. Properly warmed castor oil can be used effectively for hair and skin care, promoting hydration, stimulating hair growth, and providing a soothing effect and massage gently into the scalp or skin. Always prioritize safety to ensure you get the maximum benefits from the oil without any adverse effects. Divide your hair into small sections to ensure even application. This technique helps you target every strand, preventing any patches from being missed. Whether you're applying hair color, conditioner, or a treatment, working in sections ensures the product is distributed uniformly from root to tip. Start from the back and move toward the front, securing each section with clips for better control. This method not only saves time but also maximizes the effectiveness of your product. So, next time you're caring for your hair, remember, small sections make a big difference. Using your fingertips, gently massage the oil into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. This stimulates blood flow and helps the nutrients penetrate deeply. Run the oil through the rest of your hair, ensuring even distribution from the mid-lengths to the tips. Focus especially on the ends, as they are more prone to damage, split ends, and dryness due to exposure to environmental factors and styling tools. Massaging the oil gently into the strands will help lock in moisture, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. For best results, take your time to work the oil into every section, paying extra attention to areas that appear frizzy or brittle. This will not only enhance the shine and strength of your hair but also protect it from future breakage. Cover your hair with a shower cap to lock in the moisture and prevent any mess. Leave the oil on for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours to allow it to deeply nourish and hydrate your scalp and hair. For even better results, consider leaving it on overnight to maximize absorption and reap the full benefits of the treatment. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to wash the oil out and follow up with a conditioner. Repeat this process 1 to 2 times a week for the best results. But why sulfate-free? Sulfates are strong cleansing agents often found in shampoos, but they can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to damage. If you've just treated your hair with nourishing oils, using a sulfate-free shampoo ensures that you gently cleanse your scalp without undoing the hydration and nutrients the oils provided. Sulfate-free shampoos are ideal for people with sensitive skin, color-treated hair, or curly hair, as they help maintain moisture and vibrancy. So, choosing a sulfate-free option means you're taking a gentler, healthier approach to your hair care routine. Combine this with regular conditioning, and your hair will thank you with softness and shine. While large-scale studies are limited, emerging research supports the benefits of castor oil. A 2015 study in the International Journal of Trichology emphasized the importance of scalp massage in promoting hair growth, and castor oil enhances this effect with its nutrient-rich composition. Additionally, anecdotal reports and dermatological recommendations affirm its efficacy in improving hair health. So, if you're looking for a natural, cost-effective way to grow your hair long and strong, castor oil might just be the secret weapon you need. With its rich nutrients and centuries-old reputation, it's a timeless solution for hair care that deserves a spot in your routine. Start your castor oil journey today, and say hello to healthier, stronger, and more beautiful hair. We hope you found our content informative and that you'll use it to enhance your well-being. Thank you for watching.